Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a long awaited video for me and for you guys as well. Thank you guys for being so patient, but I got a lot of requests to review this Olens collaboration with Michelle Fawn, the 𝗢𝗟𝗘𝗡𝗦 collection, and this is the box right here. I'm sorry it took me a long time, but I was away in Japan and Korea, so I didn't have time to actually do this review, but finally I got my one, and luckily you guys can still get the kit, so I'll put the link down below as well for you guys to check out. But look at how pretty this box is. I love that it's purple, it's my favorite color, and this one feature the mascara by 𝗢𝗟𝗘𝗡𝗦. It will be my first time trying 𝗢𝗟𝗘𝗡𝗦 brand itself. So this is the volume and length mascara, and it features a 2-pack of the 1-month contact lenses. One is called Dew Grey and one is called Fawn Brown. So without further, we're going to get the lenses review started. The first one I'm going to talk about first is the name Dew Grey, and just like its name itself, it's a grey tone color. But what I really like about this is that actually it's two-tone. In the contact lens itself, you will see that it looks more of a pinky combined with like a grey hazel tone, but on my eyes when I put it on, that pink actually turns into a bit more of a brown hazel golden tone for me with a little bit of a pink undertone. You see that grayness to it. What I really like about this contact lens is that the pattern itself, it's really beautiful. The pattern is so like streaky, but they're all connected, that it really looks like a European eye pattern, where you get, when you see it close up, you see of that stripy pattern. That's what you get, and it just looks so realistic, which I think is really cool. What it really gives me, the vibe of this, at the same time, it really gives me that vibe where I actually have two eye color going on in my eyes, but in a natural way. I forgot the term of it, but I know some people are born with that, like Mila Kunis. One of her eyes, she has like, was it one eye one color or one eye has two colors? I can't remember, but a few like celebrities I've seen have like two-tone eye color, but that's their natural eye look. This is what you get on the eyes, and I just find it so gorgeous. It also has this like very thin border on the outside, which you can rarely see, because I feel like the gray color of this, like this light gray, really overpowered the outline, which I don't mind, and it leans towards much more of a semi enlargement side, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. The second color is called Fawn Brown, and when I heard of the name, I just think of fox. I don't know why, it's so random, guys. And when I put this on, it reminds me of Edward. When I put on my eyes, I can see sort of why, because you see more of that orangey yellowness to it, but also give you a little bit of that vampire vibe, but at the same time not as scary looking. And when the more I look at it, it's actually really pretty. I just find it really unique that it has like this two-tone brownness going on. And what I really like is that this golden part, you can definitely see the pattern way more than the gray itself. You can see the streakiness, you can see how it's connected. It looks a bit like a sun ray, but at the same time the other half is very like natural one blend kind of finish. And I really like this, and I like that no matter how it turns, it's okay, and it really gives you that very subtle crescent moon but a bit more pattern going on. So it's very different from a lot of the Olens design that they have designed, and I'm really impressed with this. But if I have to say which one I actually prefer, I actually prefer the grey one more. But what I would really like to do for my second pair is to actually wear them different. One eye brown, one eye grey, and I feel like I can actually pull that off, because I think this whole pattern is really cool to just switch it up and play it out, because there's like two-tone, but it's obvious two-tone, and they're not like, they don't match together, but at the same time they do. It's so hard to explain, but I just find that this is really unique. I just think that Michelle Fawn really did really well with this, collabing with Olens. So I definitely do recommend you guys to give this one a try. And if you guys have to pick one color, definitely give the grey one a go, because I think it's really cool. The brown one is also really cool, and I can imagine if you have a lighter eye, this brown will definitely be much more brighter compared to like my darker eyes. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have tried, because I'm not surprised if some of you guys have tried it already, but I would love to hear your thoughts about it. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.